Today we're just kind of combining everything that we've done so far for statistics. We're going to look at mean, median, mode, lower quartile, upper quartile, and the standard deviation for each set. I just want to show you guys the different ways we can look at data. On the IXL, you guys are given just numbers in a list. But previously, we've actually looked at different types of data sets. So I'm going to go ahead and just talk about the different types that we have today. And that's what you guys will be working today on the worksheet. There's really about 4 questions for the worksheet. You guys will, everything is not on IXL today. It's going to be on Schoology. You guys submit to Schoology. Okay. So our first thing is looking at this type of data set. And this data set here, we just see a bunch of dots. But this is almost like a tally mark. How many ones do we have? How many twos do we have? How many threes, fours, five, six? So if I just write this on a list, it's a little easier to look at. So right in the list will be how many ones do we have? We have one. Oops. We have one. We have 3 ones. We have 3 twos. We have 1 3. We have 1 4. And we have 1 6. Now we're asked to answer a couple questions here. The mean, median, mode. See, mean, median, and mode all the way around. We have lower quartile and upper quartile, and then standard deviation. So we're going to find all those values today using this list, and then I'm going to go to our stem and leaf as our second example. So to find the mode, which is the most occurring number here, so the mode, well, 1 happens 1, 2, 3 times. 2 also happens 1, 2, 3 times. So it turns out here we actually have 2 modes. We have mode is 1 and 2. Our median, if you guys remember what median is, it's another way of saying the middle number. So if we start doing our simple canceling, one, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Oh, our middle number is 2, our median, and we can just by canceling out. So we're walking left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and our median is 2. These are not hard ideas. Our mode, sorry, we did already. Our mean, which is the average, we said we've been doing mean a lot. Sometimes it's labeled as X bar. So we add up all the numbers. Let me go ahead and take out my calculator here. Wrong calculator, I don't like that one. We add up our values. 1 plus, oops, plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. Add them all up, we end up with 22. So we do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. Divide that all by the number of terms we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 terms. That's our X bar, which is our mean. Divide that by 9. Okay, that was 22 divided by 9 gives us 2.4. We're going to round to nearest 10 for this. Okay. Then we also have, they asked us for lower quartile and upper quartile. Remember, those are just the median of the upper half and the lower half. The median of our upper half and our lower half. I'm going to fill this out, 2.4. So at the median, we said the median was 2 right here. To find the lower quartile and upper quartile, the Q1 and Q3, Q1 and then Q3, we start counting down, but we don't count that median. So let me use a different color here. We'll take the lower side first, 1 and 2. We have 2 terms in the middle, and we find the average of those 2 terms. We'll do the same number. 1 plus 1 over 2 is 2 over 2 is, which is 1. 1. On the right side, 2, 6. We have two numbers, 3 and 4. So we say 3 plus 4 over 2 is 7 over 2, which is 3.5. 3.5. So I think people are having problems today with Zoom. I've heard they're having some technical difficulties. So of course, if you guys get kicked out and it becomes too intolerable, you can go ahead and watch YouTube video afterwards. So we found our mode, median, mean, Q1 and Q3, and those were the medians of the lower and upper. Remember, we don't count the median to find our lower quartile and upper quartile. And then the last one here is to find the standard deviation. Now, standard deviation, we need the mean. So lucky for us, we have it already. And then we're going to go ahead. Mean is, sorry, the standard deviation, we have to first find variance. That's what we call sigma squared. And that is done by taking the mean and subtracting it from every term. So we say 2.4 minus 1, and then we square it, plus 2.4, darn it, minus 1, and then we square it, plus 2.4 minus 1, and we square it. Why did I say 1 3 times? Well, we have 3 ones here. After I'm done with those 3 ones, we're going to move on to 2, plus 2.4 minus 2 squared, plus 2.4 minus 2 squared, plus 2.4 minus 2 squared. My next number is 3, plus 2.4 minus 3 squared, plus 2.4 minus 4 squared, plus 2.4 minus 6 squared. And we divide that by the number of terms, which we said was 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 terms. And really, this is all calculator work. So I'm going to get out my calculator. You can do this again on a scientific calculator. Or you can subtract them first before you use the calculator. And then we use the parentheses. So 2.4 minus 1, and then square it, plus 2.4 minus 1 squared, plus 2.4 minus 1 squared, plus 2.4. I mean, seems kind of dull, but parentheses 2.4 minus 2 squared, plus 2.4 minus 2 squared, plus 2.4 minus 2 squared. Mess up here. Yeah. So a parentheses plus 2.4 minus the next number is 3, close squared, plus 2.4 minus 4 squared, plus 2.4, oops, minus 6, yeah, 6 squared. Okay, enter that number, and we divide that by 9. This is what we call our variance. So beta squared is equal to 2.47. I'm going to round up to 2.5. And then to find standard deviation, which is just sigma, that's just the square root of 2.5, which is our variance. And that gives us, we'll take the square root of that. This gives us 1.57, which is we're going to round up to 1.6. Okay, that's our standard deviation. We'll use that sigma symbol, 1.6. Our last one today is going to be the stem and leaf plot. And we went over this before. I just want to go over it again. Just to remind you guys how to read the stem and leaf plot. So to look at these numbers, I see a number in front and a number in back. And that's not 21,556. That's not what this is referring to. This is referring as groups. This is 21. This is 25. This is 25. This is 26. These are all the groups of 20s. This is 38, 40, 43, 47, 49. And you can see at the bottom, there's a key here that tells you how to read this. 2/6 is 26. So I'm going to have us write it out. So in terms are 21, 25, 25, 26. And lucky for us, they're all in order here. And then 38, 40, 43, 47, 49, 56, and 68. Making sure I don't miss anything. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now that we've written this in a way that we saw before, which is just a bunch of numbers, we can now find our mean, median, mode, our first quartile, our third quartile, and our standard deviation. Let's do that one more time with this stem and leaf on the right. I see number 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 9. Someone write 4 is my front number, 6 is my back number. 4 is my front number, 8 is my back number. And this is really 46 and 48. We have 48, 49, and then our next value is 5, 5, 1, which is 51, and 56, and 56. And we have 62 and 74. So my recommendation is to write it out so you can see them. Let's do it one more time. This one is a little bit larger. As you can see, the key on the bottom says the first number refer to 100,000. Okay, so this is really 11, 8, 1, 2, 3. Then 12, 9, 1, 2, 3. And then 13, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then 13, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then 13, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 13, 5, 1, 2, 3. 13, 6, 1, 2, 3. 13, 7, 1, 2, 3. 13, 9, 1, 2, 3. 13, 9, 1, 2, 3. 14, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And that's pretty much how to read stem and leaf. And you'll do the same idea of finding mean, median, and mode, first quartile, third quartile, and standard deviation. Okay. And the assignment will be posted on Schoology in about 10 minutes.